flash of light across the sky. A sudden surge of water. It all happens in an instant, but it's enough to leave us breathless. We're here to help you capture the full magic of these moments. Let's begin. An epic landing, absolutely breathtaking. From a deep borehole in the Allen Hills, a camera was lowered 93 meters, documenting its descent through layers of ancient ice millions of years old. At the British Halley Station in Antarctica, all personnel had to be evacuated after a massive 10-mile-long crack was discovered nearby. A BAS drone captured the haunting footage of the ice splitting apart. A breathtaking light show gifted by nature. Would you dare fly all the way to the Antarctic Circle just to witness it? Ironado, a rare yet powerful phenomenon, turned Tennant Creek into a sea of fire in mere seconds. Kylie Bernard and her partner made a bizarre discovery on Papamoa Beach, a weird log covered in hundreds of goose barnacles, transforming it into something that looked straight out of an alien ocean. Graceville turned into a sky art gallery, glowing mammatus clouds merged with a fiery sunset to paint the heavens. Would you like to witness rare natural wonders like this in person? Subscribe now to keep following our journey into nature's marvels. In Japan's night sky, summer turned dazzling when a fireball tore across the sky, leaving behind a brilliant blue trail. A reminder, landslides can happen at any time. On June 28th, near Clear Lake, South Dakota, a massive tornado spun across the fields, plunging the entire area into a surreal landscape. In Venice, decorative hedges turned into an outdoor buffet as a flock of sheep and goats casually devoured them. On May 14th, Lake Michigan transformed into a foggy ocean as a fog tsunami rolled across the water, captured in a stunning time-lapse by Scott Johnson.
Y'all can come in the patio. Seriously. Out here in Pacifica, I can tell you it is happening, y'all. It is happening.
After an earthquake, Adachi's streets were flooded with foam from a damaged fire extinguisher. Nature never stops putting on a show. This jaw-dropping moment in Michigan will leave you speechless hit, like to see more weather wonders. Harbor, Oregon faced an infrastructure nightmare when a giant sinkhole suddenly opened up on Highway 101, forcing a full closure. This is known as sea smoke, a dense mist that forms when record cold drops temperatures to around 13 degrees.
No. No.
A storm drain turned into a giant fountain in the middle of the street. What would you have done if you were driving past that? If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe to join us in uncovering nature's secrets. This could be a sign that a powerful storm is on the way. Do you see it as awe-inspiring, or does it make you feel uneasy?
Here comes something big. Oh, there comes the house.
Oh my gosh, y'all look. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I almost drove in it the other day.
It's not just rivers that form whirlpools. A mini one even appeared in a parking lot in Alabama after a torrential downpour.
Oh yeah, it's calling your son.
Oh my god. I'm gonna really try not to square. Oh my god. Garrick! Oh my god!
An unforgettable encounter, a whale shark swam right alongside a diver in the Maldives. Despite being the largest fish in the world, this gentle giant is incredibly peaceful. Do you believe this is just the beginning of more intense storms caused by climate change?
Oh no. Oh my god.
On January 15th in Westbrook, Maine, residents were mesmerized by a massive spinning ice disk on the Presumpscot River. In just a few minutes, 130 mph winds turned a quiet neighborhood into a war zone.
This is Mom and I right now on the side of the road. My car, this is my windshield. The road, there's an accident. We've got glass everywhere. Sunroof's busted in.
On June 23rd, the Missouri River in South Dakota became a floating stage as floodwaters carried away lawn chairs and even a massive guitar. Want to witness magical moments like this in real life? Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next adventure with us. Pacifica revealed its vulnerable side waves, and heavy rain eroded massive cliff sections, sending land sliding into the sea. Images of the bridge being swallowed by floodwaters appeared once again, proving nature's overwhelming strength.
That looks really good, mate. You know what?
Can you believe it? That sapphire might be worth thousands of dollars.
Beautiful, mate.
In Argentina, a natural wonder unfolded as a massive slab of ice from the Perito Moreno Glacier collapsed, an epic sight that left visitors in awe. The video ends, but the wonder doesn't. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and join us again for more incredible nature in the next episode.